Check, check, check. How do I am coming out in the speakers to me hearing it?
Hey everybody, it's Lugoli, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the Pickled Muckmaggot. First off, we've got a map here showing you the points of interest. First, you're going to rest at the bench that's located at the center of Cinder's Road. This is so you don't have to make the circuitous route around to get to where he is. Also, it shows you where you can unlock the shortcut. You are going to need the Faydown Cloak, which allows you to do the double jump. Otherwise, you won't be able to reach the area. So, ensure that you've already collected that, otherwise you're going to be wasting your time with this tutorial. Once you've done the route and you've unlocked a shortcut, you can take this route here that I'm doing in the video, and then you won't have to go all the way around if you do happen to die while you're fighting him. To start the fight, you're going to hit the gong at the top of the stage, and it's going to open up two of his little helpers here. And these guys are not too difficult to attack. They only have that one attack where they swipe at you twice with their little scissors. So just try to keep your distance, get your hit in, and then dash to a safe distance so you can keep doing that. Try to round them up so that they're both kind of in the same area and you shouldn't take too much damage from them. I'm using the Reaper Crest along with the Sharp Dart Weaver technique and the Conchcutter and Pimpillo tools. I've also got the Fractured Mask attached in case I do take lethal damage during the battle. Also, I would recommend, I didn't use it for the tutorial, but if you have the Wreath of Purity, I would attach that tool because it does prevent you from becoming infected by the Muckmaggots. And when he attacks and shoots those Muckmaggot nuggets up into the air, if you get hit by those, you are going to get infested, so it'll prevent you from binding for the rest of the map, or for the rest of the match, unless you are able to bind out of it, which, you know, it could be that you're just going to get infested again. So once again, probably just put that Wreath of Purity on, make your life a lot easier. I'm using mainly just the down hits when he bounces off the ground, and then I'll get my quick swipes in when he's recovering from his main attacks. But those attacks you've seen in the video, but really he just has about 3 of them. He's going to bounce off the floor, shooting 4 of the Muckmaggot nuggets up into the air. You can kind of see where they're going to land, but they do bounce off the wall. So my tactic is kind of keep him towards the middle of the arena, just so when he does shoot those up, it doesn't bounce in an unpredictable way, so you can kind of see where it's going to go. I'm using the Sharp Dart to dash through him whenever I have collected enough. I'm going to be losing those as I'm going to be losing my silk due to the infestation anyway, so I'm just trying to use those as much as I can to just kind of keep myself alive. Also, you can see I'm throwing some Conchcutters at him. If you can get the trajectory of those right, it's pretty good for this battle. He does take, I think, about 4 to 5 hits if you can nail that just right. Also, I'm throwing some Pimpillos at him to supplement the main damage that I'm doing to him and just keep my distance, because I was starting to get low on health there at the end. And you can see that last attack actually broke my Fractured Mask. But luckily, I was able to complete the battle, and you should be able to as well. And there's your Pickled Muckmaggot.
Thank you very much for watching, and if you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss future content. I'll be uploading more tutorials over the next few weeks, and I'd love for you to join me live on Twitch, where I share gameplay, tips, and behind-the-scenes practice. You can just look me up. My handle is RogueWildy, just like here. Drop a comment also and let me know what you're currently working with or struggling on. That way I can help and make sure you get the tutorials you need to cover what you need in the future. So I'll see you in the next one.